Welcome back to Archai, where architecture meets artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into a game changer for small studios, Spacemaker. Imagine transforming your cramped quarters into an efficient, AI-optimized marvel. Let's see how it's done. Small architecture studios often face the relentless challenge of limited space and resources. But what if I told you AI can redefine this landscape? Spacemaker is here to revolutionize how you design and optimize your space. Let's start by setting up a project in Spacemaker. First, select a space that needs optimization. Think a small studio needing a big transformation. Now, input your existing site data and constraints. This step is crucial. Accurate data ensures Spacemaker's AI can perform an effective analysis. As we move forward, Spacemaker's AI evaluates various design scenarios. It's like having a virtual architect brainstorming thousands of possibilities for optimal space usage. Here's where the magic happens. Spacemaker generates design proposals, each more innovative than the last. Let's focus on a couple of standout solutions. But remember, you're still the creative genius here. Customize these AI-generated designs to better fit your studio's unique needs. Balance AI's precision with your creative flair. Taking your design from digital to reality involves careful planning. We'll outline the necessary steps to turn this AI-optimized concept into a tangible studio transformation. And there you have it. Witness the transformation. Our once cramped studio is now an optimized, efficient space. This is the power of Spacemaker for small architecture firms. Download link in description. If you found this transformation inspiring, don't forget to subscribe for more AI-driven architectural insights. See you next time on Archai.